Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I did get quite a few comments on what I think about an outage that happened this weekend with the PlayStation Network, which is, of course, extremely popular. And some of you have said, well, not a lot of info. What are my thoughts? What could have happened? So here's the first the story behind it. Around 7 p.m. Friday night, the PlayStation Network went offline for a lot of online gamers. Some say that it's not all the games that were affected, but from what I see, it was pretty much a major outage affecting anyone doing online gaming. Or any online or any games that require authentication for their DRM protection. And this is something I've already ranted about in the past, having DRM on software where when something goes wrong, all the hell breaks loose. But it has mostly to do with the fact that people went crazy, and the problem actually lasted pretty much a full 24 hours. Now, what is the most problematic in here is how quiet Sony was. And this is the worst way to handle a situation like that, because if you don't talk about it, people go and think that actually the worst has happened. Hacked accounts, and it's time to change our password and maybe remove my credit card. And what did happen? Sony gave I see the tech news titles today. Sony gave a answer to, no, they did not. What's this? Network services have fully recovered from an operational issue. That's not an answer. I see everybody else in tech journals like, oh, we got an answer. There's no answer. Operational issue. What's an answer? What is an operational issue? An outside force made an operational issue? We don't know. Some hack made an operational issue? Or it's internal problems that made an operational issue? This is not an answer. Not more than just not saying anything during 24 hours. So they say they apologize for any inconvenience and thank for the community for their patience. And all PlayStation Plus members will automatically receive an additional 5 days of service. That's not much of a thank you gift for going crazy for 24 hours. So, speculation is the only thing we can do. Did they suffer one of the common problems is an update that went through for something that once it was there just created hell everywhere, broke systems. That could be an operational issue. Major hardware failure where somewhere and where all the data is going through, just something went wrong. One thing for sure, being 24 hours seems it was difficult to repair or fix the problem. But what else could also happen? Could it have been a massive DDoS or denial of service attack? I doubt that would have lasted 24 hours. I don't think a DDoS attack would last 24 hours personally. It would have lasted maybe an hour or two, but they would have mitigated like most networks do by changing some configuration that just mitigates the DDoS attack. Could it be a hack? Well, Senator can remember back in 2011, something like that. There was a hack at PlayStation, and I hope it's not again, because that means they don't learn from their mistakes. But whatever happens, some people are saying, do you have recommendations? My simple recommendation would be whatever it is, whatever they're saying, change your passwords. make sure your accounts can't be accessed if anybody ever got your info. And hopefully it is not that. But that would be the first step, changing the password just to stay safe. And we'll be checking out this news, see if anything else is coming out of this. But definitely, a lot of people are unhappy. So did you get affected by this? And if yes, are you happy with the Premium Plus 5 days of membership extra? That seems to be not a lot to offer for such a huge problem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.